Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to change the order that a modifier shows up. Let me show you an example here. We're going to go to entrees and go to ribeye dinner. Let's say here the meat temp is being asked after the side items, and that's not a good idea because the kitchen will see it in that order. So the kitchen will see ribeye dinner, 12 or 16 ounces, choice of 2 sides, and then the meat temp. And that's backwards. They should see the meat temp before the side items, because then it will show up like they select green beans medium rare. Well, you can't have green beans medium rare, but you want that to show up under the steak, just so it makes more sense. So how do we get these two to switch? So for that, we're going to have to go to the admin portal. The admin portal is hrpos.heartland.us. Once you sign in, you go to the menu icon here at the top left, and then you go to account menu, and then you go to items. And you're going to look for the item that we're going to edit, which is ribeye dinner. And we're going to scroll down almost to the bottom here is modifiers. So under here, we're going to see the 2 modifiers that we have assigned to this. And all you do is grab these 6 little dots here, and then you can move them around like that. We moved them around and hit save. You get your save successful, publish changes, select yes, and then let's see what that looks like on the workstation. All right, now we're going to sign out real quick to get that update. We're going to go back in here, go to entrees, go to ribeye dinner, and there. Now we have it in the correct order. So now when it hits the kitchen, it'll show ribeye dinner, 10 ounce, medium rare, and then side items. And then that's how it should show up. All right, well, that's all I have for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.